Hello, I am going to show you here practical of MySQL, that means how can you create database and how can you use it. Just I have to use here my software MySQL command line, then write the password in it, which is a root. Go with the enter key. Now it's ready to use. Yes, then first of all what you have to do here, you have to write the database name which you want to create in your software or your backend software. Yes, so write about create database, okay, and write your database name. So this is my database name is Ritu, okay. Then go with a semicolon sign, and then after go with the enter key. Just query okay, one row affected mean now your database ready to use and you can save your data here. Then first of all what you will do, you will create your database tables. So after that write the tables name. So which kind of the table I want to use here. Wait a second. Yes, here you have to make a table, create a table. So this is my first database with this software, so there is no table. Yes, if you want to check, so you can check by the show. First of all you have to go with the use command. Use command is a make ready to use of your database. Okay, that means container is ready to store the things. Yes, so use database, which is a Ritu. Write the database use name, then go with the enter key. Now database changed, okay. And after that what you will do, you have to make one table in it. Yes, so now what you will start first, you want to write a create command. Already we have read classification of the SQL commands, which is the DDL command, which was DML, TCL and DCL. Yes, so with the help of these languages we can take different commands for a specific task. Yes, now what you will do, you have to create a database with the help of different data types. According to field name you will choose the data type of a particular field. So now I am making one database of class 11th. Yes, so I am writing here class use database table, then create table command. Okay, create table and your table name is class 11th. Yes, or if you want to make any tables from your book, so choose that one. Now I am taking here employee table. Okay, so this is my employee table. Employee, 1 second, employee table. Okay, so create table, table name. So your table name is here employee. Then after what you will do, you will start with the small bracket. Yes, and you know what you will do at the last, you have to put a semicolon. Now start create table, that means first field name. What is your first field name here? So I am choosing here employee ID. Yes, so write about the ID. And what is your ID type? This is a type of ID is integer. Yes, so you have to write integer, int, and also in you have to put the length of your ID. So 20 length I am taking in it. Yes, if your ID is to be both character or Unicode, so you can choose here varchar support to both characters. That is mean if you take mixed data type A1, A2, A5, so Unicode will be taken varchar data type. Yes, so now because I have not taken Unicode ID, so just I go with the integer type. Yes, then after what, put the comma here. What is your next column name or field name, which is a name. Now you write the name, and what is the name of data type? This is a varchar. Already I told you about the varchar. Now put the length of your name, so I am giving here 40. Okay, then after go with the this sign, comma, what is your third field, which is the last name. Okay, so name, last name, or if I want to put here last name, so last name also we will take in the look at there, as a identify, don't give space between the two words, you have to give underscore sign between them. Yes, then after you have to write data type, varchar 20 I am taking in it. As it is, I used to different field here. Yes, so now which is your next field, like user ID already take here, salary, yes, we can take here one column for the salary first to your integer type, int 40 or 50, 80, which size you want to take here. Then DOB is refers to date of birth. So what is the type of date of birth? It is a date format you have to take here. Then you will write the email ID of your employee. So email ID you will take in the again varchar, yes, varchar 80 or 50 you can choose here. Then go with this small bracket sign, and then finally you go with the enter key. Look at this, it's show to your query, okay, 0 rows affected and 2 warnings, that means our work has done here. If query is okay, that means it is ready to use. Our table is created here. After that, what you will do, you will start in describe the table. So what is the, how can you describe your tables, how many fields you have taken, what is the data type of it, have you filled in it something. If you want to show it, so you have to write DESC, okay, describe table name is our employee, okay, then put the semicolon and go with the enter key. Look at this, in my employee table there are different fields, ID, name, last name, salary, DOB, email, type of different fields are there given there. Have you filled anything in it? No. So values are null, so it provide to us. Key, we have not fixed here any key as a primary key or default any unique key, so this column is blank. Default also null value. Yes, so what is to come here, let's see. Okay, so let's start with the DDL language. So contains commands to create, remove and manage object of database. Yes, so already we have done create table command. Then after, how can you go with the different table with the drop and alter. Yes, so we are using here alter command. So just start why we are using alter command here. Alter command used to add a new column in your table. If you want to change data type of your table, yes, if you want to delete any column of your table or particular value, if you want to delete, so you can choose here alter. Yes, then after that simply this command we have to modify first with the alter command, but I have not inserted something in it. So first of all I have to insert value in it. So this is a insert command, and insert command, that is your DML command. Okay, DML refers to data manipulation language. You can modify your data here. So modify, that means already we have create our table, define our table here. After that, how can you manipulate, how can we insert data in it? So with the insert command. Yes, so how can you set value in it? So insert into what's the table name? Employee. So write your table name. Okay, then after, if you want to insert your data with the fields name, so you have to write your fields name as it is, like first is ID, second is your name, third is your last name, fourth is your salary, fifth is your DOB, and last one refers to your email. Okay, this is your fields or attributes. Then after what you want to fill in it, go with the values. Yes, now start write the values in it. ID I want to take here 111. Then after put what is our next field, name. So this is a character type, so you will write the name of your employee, which is the dim. Yes, close it. Write your third field's name, which is the last name, so you have to write Joseph. Okay, then what is the next field is yours? So the next field is mine, DOB. So DOB I also write in this double quotation marks. So DOB format is you have to write first year 1990 1990, and you will write the month 2nd and date 12. Yes, so you have written about the DOB. The last is refers to your email ID, so you can write any email ID here, 123@gmail. Okay, this way you can write email address of the particular employee. Then go with this double quotation marks, close this bracket, put the semicolon. Check all details you have filled. First is ID, second name, third last name, fourth is a salary. Salary we have not filled here, I think. Yes, so salary, that means we have to go back here after the last name and put the salary here. So I put here 50,000, okay, in a month, and put comma, then go with the DOB, and finally write a email. Okay, so all values we have filled here, and now go with the end condition, apply end. Yes, enter key, that means query okay, one row affected, that means your first row data is entered. Yes, if you want to go it with the again, so for the undo you have to choose here right up arrow. Yes, and the change only values. So second is your 222. You will write the second name is our Jam. Yes, then write his surname, which is Mishra. Okay, then change his salary, which is 55. Change DOB, this time 91, and here put the 11, and date is 11 also. Yes, and take different ID. So I am taking ID Geo. Yes, go at the last with the end of key and choose here enter key. Query okay, one row affected, that means your data is stored in the particular table. Instead of this, if you don't want to write fields every time with the insert command, so you can directly write the values. Yes, so now I am going to erase this fields, and just the table name I started the values. Okay, so next value is ID is 333, name is Gautam. Okay, then again you write here surname. Okay, then put the salary 56,000, date of birth 90/11 or 10 or 11, and finally you will put the different ID. So kim@gmail.com. This way we also insert data in our table. Go with the enter key. Look at this query. Okay, one row affected. Without any error we can insert value with help of these commands. Yes. So how can we retrieve all data what we have inserted in it? How can we fetch it? So simply we have to use our select command. Select command also is your DML command. Yes, this is our also we have done cdo, that means select, insert, delete and update. These commands we will use in your DML command. Yes. So how can we select their data here? Select, this is our query. So I am writing here select star, that means asterisk sign you have to use from your table name. What is your table name? Employee. Yes, put the semicolon at the last. Go with the enter key. So I have entered here 3 employees data with the different fields. Yes. So this is a work of select. Yes, instead of this, if you want to take any one column, so how can you write? Just to go with the select and remove this asterisk sign and write a particular name, like name, and you will write a salary column. Yes, from employee. Only these 2 column will be come in your output. So go with the end key. Yes, look at this. So names as well as salary will be shown there. Yes. So dim have is a 50,000 salary, Jem is 55,000, and Gotham has 56,000 salary. Yes, this way we can find out the particular column's name. Instead of this, just if I think if their salary is increased by 20,000. Okay, so how can we change our data to this table? Yes, so directly we can use our arithmetic operations. Let me, we can choose here multiply or divide sign. So I am writing here select salary, name, salary. Okay, and if you want to go with the plus sign, so salary plus, if I improve every employee salary with 20,000, it's bigger amount. Go in the end condition and go with the enter key. So look at this, the average salary has increased by 20,000. Yes, this way you can go with the average. You can find out the multiply, divide, anything you can apply here. Okay, so this is the work of our select command or select query. Yes. Now what is the next here? If I want to update or delete any column from my table, so how can I do it? So just if I am choosing here add a new column, so already we have discussed here about the alter command using the DDL command. Yes, so how can we add a new column in our table? So for that we have to write alter and the particular table name. Right, start the alter and your table name is employee. One second. Yes, alter employee and table, I have to write alter table name. So table name, and with the end key you can write the command which you want to add, sorry, column. So add, I want to add here new column which is my DOB. Already we have taken great or address. Okay, mobile number, just we are taking here mobile number. Okay, mobile number. This is a simple way. Mobile number is our integer type. Yes, So I am writing here integer 100. Okay, and go with this semicolon. So what would be happened there? It add already one column because we have add a new column name with its data type. So go with the enter key. Query okay, 0 were affected. That means your work has done. Yes, if I want to add one more column in it, so how can I add? Just instead of it, if I am writing any column name which is a like the difficult things you can take here. Address will come in the varchar form. Yes, if we go with the city, also go with the varchar form. Yes, what we will take in the double or float? So we are taking here date of joining. Okay, so instead of this I am writing here date of joining, DOG. Yes, also format is date here. Okay, go with the enter key. So query okay, 0 affected. So what I have done, I have add 2 columns in my table employee. Yes, how can I retrieve the data? Simply I choose here select star in my table name. Yes, from my table name. Look at this. ID, name, last name, salary, DOB, email, mobile number is null, DOJ, that means date of joining, is null. Why? We have entered a new column in our table, but we haven't to fill any value in it. Yes. So what it means of that mean I filled here nothing in this column. So if suddenly your boss asks to you now add a new column and fill entries in it, so what we'll do? So we have to do apply first take the column, add the column in my table or particular data, then after for the particular column we have to take entries. Okay, but why, which way? So we have to use here update command. Yes, update command is used for the manipulate our data. Yes, so which command is this? This is a DML command, data manipulation commands used to modify existing contents of a table. Yes, but because of here every field is different, every command is different, so we have to write different command for update. So what is command of update here? Just I am writing, wait, look at this. Update table name. So what is my table name? Is employee, and write the set command, set. So remember this thing, when you go with the alter command, so you have to write alter table employee and add, if you want to drop, if you want to remove any particular value, so you can go with the alter command. If you want to add or manipulate something, so update command we can use, update with the set. So what do you want to set here? So I want to set here mobile number, wait a second, mobile number of a employee. So now mobile number of which employee? Yes, so you have to give a particular value or a specific idea of employee. Yes, so now update employee, set a mobile number, and you have to put condition where is your clause, where ID equals to 111 and put the semicolon at the last. Yes, so update employee, set mobile number. So I didn't save here mobile number, so mobile number equals to, give any mobile number here, Okay, or go with the end key and go with the enter. Yes, query okay, one row affected, that means your data has updated in this table. If you want to update second ID or second value, so go with the update again, update employee, set mobile number, give another mobile number of it. Yes, and choose where ID or name. Instead of ID you can write here name, where name equals to, so name will be right in the double question mark, which is a gem. Yes, and go with the end key, put enter key. So query okay, one row affected, that means your data has covered. Now same way we can update third employee's data. So set mobile number of third employee. Listen here, we have talk about update a particular column. At the same time, if I want change both columns or detail, if I want to update both columns detail, so how can I do? Yes, so you can directly write just I have set mobile number with a detail value, then what is my second column name, which is a DOJ. So I have to write here DOJ. DOJ, the format of your date will be year 1995, 5 and month 7 month, and date is 12 or 2. Yes, this is our DOJ. DOJ of, but is it not possible is birth on 1919 join 95, is not possible, so we have to get joining date on 2020. Now then month of July, and this is our date of day. Yes, where name is Jim. This is the third, no, Jim is, I don't want to take another Jim, Gotham, because we have taken field of name. At the last what you will do, you will put here semicolon at the last, go with the enter key. Look at this query okay, one row affected. What's the mean of it? At the same time, with the help of update command, we can just update 2 or 3 columns at same time. Yes, now check your table. Look at this, we have not filled DOJ of 2 employees. So go with the select, start from employee. This is our updated table. Already we have filled mobile number of all employees, but only one employees we have set here DOJ. So what we will do for the other, for the same thing we have to choose here update command. Yes, update, instead of mobile number we have to write here column name, which is a DOJ. Set DOJ equals to 2021, then put the month, then you can use here day. Yes, go with the end key, and finally this query okay, one row affected. Same, go with the undo key, up arrow key, and change your email ID, sorry, ID of employee, date of employee, which is a 1/5/2021. Yes, go with the end key, comment the last, query okay, one row affected. Now retrieve your table. What we have changed, it will come in a table. Yes, this way. So what we have done today, we have done update command, alter command, we have used here select command with different fields name. Also we have used here create command, how can we insert the value in it. So main things we have done. Now go with the next command, which is like if I have taken wrong field in my table, which is not usable, so how can I drop it and how can I delete it? Yes, so already I told we if I want to delete any particular column from a table, so it used to delete contents to tables. It is also a DDL command. So just you have to write here delete, directly go with the delete. Yes, delete from what is the table name, employee where employee ID, or which field I want to delete here, employee ID, or ID equals to 333. Okay, so what will happen? So this employee's data will be erased from our table, it will be vanished. Yes, now query okay, one row affected. Now retrieve our table data again. Now there is no any data of 333 ID. So this I have done with the help of delete command. Yes, if you want to delete your complete table, yes, so you can write here just I don't want to delete my table here, just show to you how can you delete your table from your database. So you can write here delete, directly delete from your table name, from your table name, which is an employee. Yes, so what is to go now? That means all data which have in the employee table will be erased. So just I don't want to use it, because after that I have to make another table. Yes, DDL, sorry, delete is also your DML command. Now it's clear. Okay, go with the next. If you want to rename column in a table, any column if you want to change, just I show here mobile number is a very large characters. So what I have to do for that? I have to use alter command. Alter command to move columns with different data types. So alter table. So what is my table here? Alter table. Table name is employee, and what I have to do? I have to change my column name, change which is my mobile number, okay, mobile number. So what is my data type? Mobile number, same integer I have choose there. Instead of this, if I want to write here mobile only, okay, so I have written this alter table employee, change mobile number columns, fields name is our mobile number. Instead of mobile number I want to show in my table mobile, and you have to put the data type of it. Yes, go with the enter key. Yes, query okay, 0 rows affected, our work has done. Now retrieve your table. So instead of mobile number we have take here mobile. Okay, got it? So this way you can create a table. You apply DDL command, DML commands here. If you are choosing here truncates delete your old data instead of the columns name. If you are choosing here drop, if you want to drop any column, so drop, that means it will erase your column as well as value from your table. Yes, remaining things we will do soon. Okay, so try it up to here.